Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable and disable glide typing on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. And from here, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Now just tap on glide typing. Now to enable glide typing, just enable this option on your smartphone. Now if you go back, now as you can see, we have successfully enabled glide typing on our smartphone. Now to disable this option, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard and tap on glide typing. Now just disable this toggle to disable glide typing. Now if you go back, as you can see, we have successfully disabled glide typing on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable and disable glide typing on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.